Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how you can get up to $25,000 within 24 hours. All you need is a source of income, a checking account, and a few details about yourself. The application process is very quick and they will fund you within 24 hours. So you definitely want to watch this entire video from start to finish. If you want to see more videos like this about personal credit, business credit, and ways to make money online, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon, and make sure that you check where it says all notifications. You hit that button so that you can receive all of the videos that I drop before anybody else, so that you can get the information quickly and that you can hop on all of the opportunities that I provide for free on this channel. So this particular company is called Personify Financial. They have over 7,000 reviews on Trustpilot. They have a 4.5-star rating with Trustpilot. And the best thing about this particular company is that they are not hung up on credit. So you can get approved for a personal unsecured installment loan without having perfect credit or good credit. They accept any type of credit here. They're mainly looking at your income and your ability to pay back the loans. So how it works is they have an algorithm that looks into your credit and it looks into your overall ability to pay back the loan with your income stability and your work history as well. So right here it says, we do not want an accident or a late payment to keep you from getting the money you need. So again, they're not hung up on credit. Any type of credit can apply for this loan. Now they do have certain fees that may be associated with the loan. It's just going to depend on what type of or what state that you're living in. Now this is only for the United States, and every single state is not going to be able to get a loan. However, most of the 50 states are able to apply for this loan. So if you're a resident of California or New York, I believe they don't accept any applicants from those states, and maybe Utah as well, but most of the states are eligible to apply. So there are going to be some things that you're going to have to look at if you want to check and see if your state is available. You're going to click on information by state, and then you can also see the rates and the terms as well as licensing information by clicking on your state. So you can click on whatever state that you live in and you'll be able to see the max loan amount that you can get, the max APR, and the max loan terms as well. And then you can see whether or not you want to apply. So it varies by state, and the interest rates can be high because this is a loan that is available for people with not so good credit, and they do offer higher loan amounts than people would normally get. So you just come here and check your state, and then you're going to click on apply, and you'll be able to apply really quickly for this loan. Also, they do have some information about some COVID resources. So if you maybe have lost your job or lost income, they do have some resources here for you. They have small business resources, the Family First COVID Response Act, information about employment as well. So some of the big companies that are actually still hiring, they give you a list of that as well. So if you want to go ahead and apply for this loan, if you need the loan, you can click on apply. And what they're going to do is they're going to ask you for your name and your email and your zip code, and then they're going to send you an email, and you're going to click on that verification link in your email, and then you're going to go through the entire process. And it should only take a few minutes, and you'll be able to see the loan offer that you're going to get from them, and you'll be able to get your funds sent to you within 1 business day. Now, what they're going to do is they're going to perform a soft inquiry, so it's not going to affect your FICO score. If you choose to submit an application for credit, they will perform a hard inquiry, which may affect your credit score. So for the pre-qualification to see what offers that you can apply for is going to be a soft pull. Okay, so also I'm going to give you some more information about the fees. So if you paid the loan back early, you will not pay any fees, of course. And again, here's a question here on the FAQs page. Can I apply if my credit is less than perfect? And again, it says, we believe there is more to understanding your particular financial situation than your credit score. Our personal loan approval process considers many factors besides your credit history. And also, they do offer you a free FICO score to all of their borrowers. So you're going to be able to see your FICO score every single month so that you can keep track and see how your progress is going with paying back the loan and how your credit is improving. And also, they do report to the credit bureaus. So yeah, that's a little bit of additional information. Again, you can decide whether or not you want to apply. The link is going to be down in the description. Also, in regards to making the loan payments, you can do it by check or by mail, or you can also do it by ACH, which is the most popular. You're just going to schedule a automatic transfer to make sure that your payments are on time and that you don't have any late payments. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you want to see more videos like this, again, subscribe and make sure that you hit the bell icon to receive notifications. And also make sure that you check out my channel and check out the other videos that I have on my channel. We have videos here on how to make money online. More videos here as well on personal credit. We also have videos about business credit. So make sure that you check out these other videos. They are value packed and will give you a lot of information on different loan programs. So that's it for this video. Make sure that you like this video if you found this video valuable, and comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.